The Nothing Phone 1 has been unveiled and it has caused some waves in the market. The design style has sparked intrigue for many and everyone is anticipating the features that this smartphone will be launched with. The person in command for this project is none other than the Carl Bai, who was responsible for the quick rise of the top tier smartphone brand OnePlus. So naturally many people have been wondering whether the Nothing Phone 1 is better or OnePlus Nord 2T. So naturally many people have been wondering whether the Nothing Phone 1 is better or the OnePlus Nord 2T, which is recently launched by OnePlus. So in this video we will be comparing the two new smartphones, that is Nothing Phone 1 and OnePlus Nord 2T. Starting with the display, Nothing Phone 1 comes with an OLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, so that will easily beat OnePlus Nord 2T, which comes with an AMOLED display and a 90Hz refresh rate. Performance: Nothing Phone 1 is powered by Snapdragon 778G Plus 5G chipset, which is powerful, whereas OnePlus Nord 2T is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1300 chipset, which is not so powerful compared to the Snapdragon 778G Plus. In terms of cameras, the Nothing Phone 1 features a 50 megapixel primary camera and a 16 megapixel ultra wide and 16 megapixel selfie camera, whereas OnePlus Nord 2T comes with a 50 megapixel primary camera and only 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So Nothing Phone 1 have an edge here. Coming to the memory, both the phones are same here, as the phones are coming with the same combination of 8GB 128GB, 8GB 256GB. Battery. So this is an area where OnePlus Nord 2T has an edge. Nothing Phone 1 packs 4500 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support, wireless charging support and reverse charging support, but the fast charging support thing is not provided here, whereas OnePlus Nord 2T comes with a 4500 mAh of battery with a 80 watt fast charging support, whereas OnePlus Nord 2T doesn't have any wireless charging or reverse charging. Coming to the OS, Android 12 is running on both the phones. Nothing Phone is having Nothing OS and Oxygen OS is there on OnePlus Nord 2T. So these are the comparisons on the paper, but we have to see the real life experience. But on papers, Nothing Phone 1 clearly beats OnePlus Nord 2T. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.